Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel with Kikip here. In this video, I'm gonna take you through the British phonemic chart and how to pronounce the vowels. Now undoubtedly, the one that people struggle with when they are learning English is the pronunciation, in particular the vowels. They are tough and a lot of the sound are very similar to some speakers of certain languages. Now, there are 12 monotones to go through, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. Don't rush through this, take your time, it's gonna be a short video. Just focus on your pronunciation, just for a couple of minutes. I recently copied English lessons, particularly in pronunciation, from the one and only channel I trust, to spread knowledge of how British English works in pronunciation. I subscribe my favorite British channel, it's Pronunciation with Emma. She is British and she's young, gorgeous and pretty of course. So I follow her step to spread lessons of how British English, especially in pronunciation, works. Go to my leader, I will put the link of her channel, so you can subscribe her. And I took what she created, a British phonemic chart, and you can download from the link down below here, completely for free. And then watch this video. It will help you remember the symbols and the sounds, and you can start practicing at home, completely for free. So let's begin with first sound. E. E, please. E, pen. O, look. U, boot. Bed. Teacher. Bird. Coach. Cat. Up. Car. Lock. So that's the end of this video. I hope it helped you with your British English pronunciation. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I post weekly videos to help you with your British English listening skills and your pronunciation, of course. Until next time, have a wonderful week. See you soon. Goodbye and cheerio. Don't forget to download your IPA chart. It's completely free. It's in the description for you. Download that, go back and rewatch the video if you need to, and start practicing the vowels.